Hello and welcome to this short video on the ride-on sweeper from Fiorentini. This model, the CS70 90B, is a battery ride-on machine and boasts a sweeping path of 90 centimeters on the main brush, plus your side brush or side brushes. You have a hopper of 70 litres, very generous, and excellent filtration provided through canister filters, which actually give a surface area of 6 square metres of filtering surface. Very, very good. Canister filters are long lasting and very effective. It's a great sweeper. And as you can see on this model, we have twin side brushes. The machine will come as standard with one side brush, but you have the option of two. And your main brush would be located, of course, across the middle of the underside of this machine. The controls of the CS70 are very straightforward. You have a on-off switch here, or an ignition switch. You have 3 toggle switches at the top across the dashboard. The left-hand one is to activate your side brushes. The middle one is to operate your vacuum, so you have the option of having the vacuum on or off. If you're sweeping outside, then it may be you will leave the vacuum off. You've also on this switch got the filter shaker, so the filtration system is vibrated to remove dust from the concertinaed filter paper, so that's advised after every use. And then the final switch here is to activate the main sweeping brush across the middle of the machine. On the dash you also have the hours meter and the battery meter located on the left, some pop fuse switches in the middle, and there is also just here a horn button as well. So controls are very simple, steering's quite light and easy. You have a pedal here, foot pedal for forward and reverse, as you can see by the arrows, nice and straightforward. 2 levers located here. The lever here on the right hand side is to lower the main sweeping brush, and the lever here on the inside is to lower the front side brushes. So 2 brushes on this, remember, as an option, and you will see these go down. So that's done with that lever, and this one will do the main brush, but of course you won't see that because it's under the machine. This canister filtration system I've mentioned is beneath the rear cover, and you can see there 6 canister filters, and the motor on the top there is actually the filter shaker motor. And as I say, canister filters, long lasting, highly efficient. At the rear of the machine you have the hopper, because of course the brushes will direct the debris and heavy dust towards the rear of the machine, and it will find its way into the hopper here. And this is a pull-out hopper with a handle and wheels. Okay, and you would obviously roll that off to the bin to empty. That's 70 litres. The sweeper is powered by battery, and these are housed under the seat here, and it's a 24 volt machine. These particular batteries are sealed batteries, so they're maintenance free, commonly known as gel, but you will very frequently see wet acid batteries also, which just require a little maintenance. So to operate the CS70 90B, very straightforward, just a few simple steps, which is started with the ignition to turn the power on. It's illuminated on the battery meter to the left there, you will see. You will then need to lower your brushes, which we would do to the right hand side as you sat on the machine, with these 2 levers. The side brushes and the main brushes are lowered to the floor. You will then need to engage power to the motors of the brushes, the side brushes, and the main brush. You will then need to turn the vacuum on, which is the middle switch, and that's particularly important for indoor sweeping. And lastly, propel yourself forward with the right hand side of the foot pedal, which will propel the sweeper forwards, leaving you just to simply steer your way in the way you wish to travel. Very, very easy. So as we finish our sweeping session, we will come to a standstill, removing your foot from the pedal. You will then switch the vacuum off, the side brush off, and the main brush off. All that leaves then is to raise the main brush and raise the side brushes and switch off. As simple as that, and you're ready to empty your hopper. So that's the Fiorentini CS70 90B ride-on sweeper, industrial sweeper, and that's available from Klimas. Thank you for watching.